Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Digital Party Kit. So we are at Project 2. So here is the manual page that has Project 2. This manual comes with the kit. It has over 20 projects. Here we are at Project 2. Let's see how this is done. Place the 1K resistor. 1K resistor looks like this. It has brown, black and red rings. 1K resistor as shown with one pin at I13 and the other pin at any of the nearby positive rail hole. So I13 and positive rail. One K resistor is placed. Next, connect wires. This should be I15 to negative, and the next wire should be from A14 to negative. So you can experiment by changing the wire position and see how different segments are getting lit. Okay, so I have connected two wires, I15 to negative and A14 to negative, and then you can see that the 7 segment display is displaying digit 1. All the best.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.